awake at 5. Oh. Awake at 5 a.m. I can't believe myself. But yeah.
Don't know what you're saying. You're flying higher than a plane and you're not complaining.
Also, welcome to another vlog. The most tiresome intro, but it's 5 a.m. okay. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready quickly and then I'll come back because yeah. Hello. Say hi. Hi. What are you eating? Outfit. Dokla. And I'll show you my outfit later. It's very like nice and basic and beach types. But I'm thoda hungry because last night I ate soup alone.
Have some.
So, yeah, I'll have. But I bought these dates yesterday from society stores.
Manifesting dates. Eating dates.
Yeah, come this way. Light is not coming.
I should have left my shopping.
I told na.
You didn't. Still what time you were sleeping?
5 o'clock.
Guys, what is this?
Sunset is happening.
Sunset is happening.
Sorry, I keep saying
Sunrise.
sunrise. Papa, say hi in the vlog. Say hi in the vlog. Arey baap re, your helmet is so bright. You're so happy. You're like, baap re, how they woke up at 5 o'clock.
I'm proud of you.
Yeah, I woke up at 4:30.
देखो अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं और सनराइज तो हो रहा है अंकल 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 अरे शिट like we're stranded on an island guys हमारा कोई रिक्शा नहीं है
Tell him we'll sit on the scooter also.
are you mad हम लोग तीनों स्कूटर में कैसे बैठेंगे
मेरा सिर पे बैठ जाएगी मेरा आगे बैठ जाएगी
guys my dad is in the bike he has a bike and we don't and we're in a rickshaw we don't और sunrise तो हो गया kind of और हम लोग अभी तक रिक्शा में हैं and Joanna is like very pissed off at us both bye Please explain why there is no sunrise in this beach. Explain.
Because we are on the west coast. Bombay, Udupi, Mangalore, it's all west coast.
हम लोग बड़ा सोच
Sunrises
के
in
आए
the
थे
east.
कि सनराइज विल सी ऑन द बीच.
Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Basic geography.
How dumb are we? Hello guys. Look at that plant. Look at my dad. He's standing like a I don't want to say what, but bodyguard. Look at our chappals are there. Actually,
कोई जूता लेके गया था
अरे बाप रे, it's so beautiful. I'll cry. But sunset ने दिखा, but it's fine. dolphin will come? Guys, do you think dolphin will come?
We have seen dolphin in Udupi also.
Udupi to yeah, but like
There.
Barawa also.
I can see.
Huh? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Seriously? Huh? You saw? Oh yeah. I saw pehle also. Shit, bro! Actually, dolphin. यार इसमें कुछ दिख रहा नहीं है. You saw ना? I saw pehle also. Oh my god! अरे it should be. ऐसा करके Oh, you saw? Came in the video also. My dad was doing yoga on the beach and then we were waiting for him and clicking pictures. Then suddenly we look back and he's not here. So we don't know what to do. So we are going to just... Guys, we were going to go to Dakshinayana but we went there. Temporarily closed. So now we are going to ISKCON and we don't know where we are going to eat. And everything bloody opens at 8 baje and I'm so hungry.
Taste good.
You want to taste mine? I'm not deleting that story. Double story.
Spinach.
Hey, sour. है ना? Guys, I'm gonna have avocado toast. Or as they say, avocado benedict. Which is बोलने को तो avocado toast होती है. Anybody wants my watermelon? You want? Take the whole thing. No, if you want, you have to take the whole thing. It's just watermelon. Are you looking like that at my food? It's very small.
The Rukma will come nice.
Okay.
Plating.
Plating, bro. तो वे देखो कि मैं ऐसा करके.
मीरा ने बेक किया तो.
Yeah, I तो एक था. So I'm going to eat this and like give you taste test.
Use your knife and fork now. Wash your hands.
No, dirty
You
way.
wash your hands.
I didn't like it. What are you doing? I ate this game. No, it's not that. So I'm going to eat. Come here, let's eat this.
This 17th. This one did you?
Nice. It's quinoa and broccoli ka upma.
Nice, very nice.
Look at the salad we ordered. Some couscous, avocado, something. Hello. अभी हम लोग घर जा रहे हैं. Joanna went to Nagi's house. खाना खा के and now we are going to the beach. And chilling. No, I'm going to cook some German and edit the video. It's probably out by now. And I have to go somewhere out again. At 11. 10 or 10. Cool. I'll be at home. Home alone actually, I think so. So yeah. Hi everybody. It's actually 4, almost 4 o'clock. And I had slept off for like 3 hours. Not 3 hours, 2 hours, but I slept off for a very long time. And I'm kind of home alone. My sister and my dad have gone to some place. Like in our old school there was an annual day or something. So they've gone there. I was supposed to go. But I got tired and like jo bhi hai. So now we'll eat lunch. Let me take you with me. Hi everybody, this is my kitchen. I'm gonna eat food now. And जो मैंने जुगाड़ करके कैमरा डाला है ना, I don't know what to say because I didn't get my tripod. So I don't know how I'm like doing these things because tripod is a necessary item for me. But anyway, we're cool and I'm gonna take some khana. Guys, I wanted to look at my food and it just looks so good. Looks delicious. And I miss my didi ka food so much. Like Bombay mein, I have this didi, Nilima didi, and she makes like food for us and I miss her. Yeah. By the way, fun fact, I was watching Veer Zara in the flight in Vistara and I was like crying. Like मेरे आँख से आंसू रुक नहीं रहा था and I was like, what is this movie? Like चलो let's watch this. And I watched it and मतलब I didn't finish it, I have to watch it now. But इतना आंसू. We are in the vlog. Guys, I was just showing her my video which is like already out. Okay, so they can't hear you because I'm wearing headphones, but she's basically saying that she's got VIP pass to my vlog because she saw it first and stuff. She's cooler than all of you and stuff, but yeah, I'm showing her the vlog. Hee hee, thanks. Bestie.
He got pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel, see on both sides like Chanel.